Now, how do you set the iPhone storage instead of the cloud storage like the iCloud, right? If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. So there are a few places where the default might be selected to the iCloud. For example, if you go to settings, apps, and then go to Safari, you'll be able to check out the downloads folder right there, and it might be selected to be the one on your local storage, but it might also be set to iCloud. So I would encourage you to just set it to be the iPhone, like on my iPhone local storage. Same thing in some other apps, like for example, a lot of people use iMovie, the video editor, and in there you also get to pick the default location of your exports. And by default, I just noticed that it was set to iCloud Drive and I just didn't like it, so I had to switch it to my local storage. Plus, there are plenty of other places where this might be taking effect, so you can check out the Files app and go to the Location section to ensure that you don't have a lot of stuff in your iCloud. You can just open it up and move it to your local on my iPhone storage in this department as well. But the main place where this gets managed is inside of your settings, where at the top of your list you tap on your name and check out your iCloud section, and you essentially here decide app by app specifically which one of them is supposed to access iCloud and upload its data there, on which one is like not allowed to do it. So this gives you much more control specifically over which services are using the iCloud storage and which only use the local iPhone storage. So let me know what you think about that below. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. Thanks a lot for watching till the end, and I'll see you later in the future tutorials.